guys, I'm MLF Reporter Aly Akers, and I am in Alpena, Michigan at Thunder Bay National Marine Sanctuary, and I'm about to go on a glass bottom tour out on Lake Huron to a place called Shipwreck Alley. I am so excited about that, but first, let's go take a look inside and then go jump on the boat. This is what it would actually have been like if we were on one of these ships and we were getting ready to capsize during a really bad storm. It's really kind of spooky in here, but lots of great history and facts. This is so crazy. As you can see, I'm walking up here, and this is very much of an incline. This is a ship called the Western Hope, and this would just be exactly like if we were out on Lake Huron and we were in a terrible, terrible storm. I don't know about you guys, but after just kind of experiencing it right here, there's no way I could have ever done it. I would have been terrified and needed Dramamine. Guys, we've had such a wonderful time here on Thunder Bay, Lake Huron in the glass bottom tour boat. We saw Shipwreck Alley. It was so much fun, but now Captain Keith O'Shea is taking us back into Thunder Bay River. We'll see you guys later.
Arr, Captain. Arr, arr, arr.